Okay, here we are, ready for round number 2. And I'm kind of nervous for this all season here.
Why are you nervous for me?
Because I got a new pair of shades.
Yeah,
the other ones that were cracked and poking in my forehead, causing major distractions to my gameplay. And I still beat you pretty good. Now I got some new.
That's going to be a distraction.
Shades for you.
Oh, for me.
So
yeah.
anyhow, I think it's time we get to moving and get some mini golfing.
You're ready to lose?
Let's bring it. There you go, in case you were wondering.
Use only your foot for every shot. Your first hole-in-one of this course, how do you feel? It was the squirrel. He helped me. Oh, in the hole.
You want to play that game? It's on.
Kind of a shitty spot.
Eye patch. Attempt your first shot with your eyes closed.
How
did that happen?
I have no idea.
Here we are down to the last hole, ladies and gents. And to be quite honest, the beginning I was doing pretty good, then I thought I was winning, but come to the last hole, I'm not so sure anyhow. Do you have any predictions?
I'm the one with the scorecard and I don't even know. It's close.
Cherry, let's find out.
Go, 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 go.
Ooh.
Go.
I need number 2.
To your home. You go.
Time to go see what we got on our scorecard. So stay tuned for the dramatic conclusion around number 2.
I have a good feeling about this one.
Oh, you won the second round here? That's a draw. Well, I got some new shorts for tonight. We'll have to try those on, see if they help out for the next
52 to 49.
Right now
But you had, you're not going to blame your sunglasses?
No.
Okay.
I said they were invented. I said that earlier. So we'll have to go with that. So stay tuned for round number 3 coming up this evening. And it should be a good one. Nighttime. So stay tuned, my friends. Cheers.
There we go.
Now we're good.
So, here's the coupon. I don't know if you can see it. If you can see the free lollipop. Looks like a big lollipop, doesn't it? Well, so here's it in the wrapper. And look at the size of the damn lollipop. Like, come on. Really? Don't even put the free lollipop on if this is the thing that you're going to give us.
Valid point.